In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Adanola promo code. So let's get started. So Adanola is a clothing brand, and let's say you're looking for a discount. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Adanola promo code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to this first website, wethrift.com. Alright, so once you're on this website, as you can see, these are for September 2023, so this is for this month, and the first code says 59% off. And as you guys can see, this coupon was used almost 11,000 times, and the success rate is pretty high, so this is likely gonna work for you. So you can click show code, and it's automatically gonna copy the code, and then you can go to the website of Adanola. You can choose your products and use this code at checkout for a 59% discount. Well, there are more codes. For example, if you're looking for a free shipping, you can use this code free ship to get free shipping. Let's say you're looking for a 10% off, you can copy this code, and the success rate is pretty high, so this might work as well. Well, now I'm gonna go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, then there's this website, Deal Spot. I'm gonna go here. Okay, so let's see a code. Okay, okay, 10% off. So let's say looking for a 10% off, you can click get my code. You're gonna wait, get my code. It might take some time. Okay, this one is not working. Let's see a few other codes. So I'm gonna go to some other website. Let's go to this website, Don't Play Full. You're gonna wait for the website to load. It might take some time. Alright, so once you're on the website, you're gonna see many options. So for example, this one right here says 15% off orders. You can click on it, and that's the code for getting a 15% off, so you can use this at checkout. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.